Ma'am, you can mute all. Sound is coming.
Sound is coming. Yes, I'll mute off. Okay. Thank you. So that's the reason I'm asking you to keep quiet. Once you join the session, children, you mute your audios. Okay, children? Okay, let's begin. So good morning to all. Today we are going to learn action in progress. Okay, so in the last class we have started the lesson, and today we are moving on to the next bit of it. So as I've already told you, action words are called verbs. Action words are called okay. Action words are called verbs. Okay, so yes. Yes, children. Can you see me? Can all of you see me? Put a thumbs up. Yes, okay. So action words are called verbs. Okay, we know what our action words are. Don't we know that what are action words? Yes? Are you all familiar with the action words? Yes, we know. Run, play, eat, sit. All these are action words. Okay, so action in progress. That is our chapter. So what we have to do to the verb, we have to add ing to the verb. Okay, after ing has to be added after the verb to show that the action is in progress. Have you understood the meaning of the chapter? Okay, action words are just action words, but when we add ing after the verb, it becomes action in progress. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, so let's move on to, I'm going to share the screen, children. All of you be ready with your workbook. Don't open it unless I tell you. Okay, so we are in worksheet 7, action in progress. Yes, so we know yes, all of you look at it. Yes, so we are in worksheet 7, action in progress. Okay, so we know what our action words are. Action words are called verbs. Okay, when the lesson has been taken, you please repeat after me. Action words are called verbs. You can see a few action words here. Dance, it's an action. It's an action word. Walk is an action word. It is a verb. Read, it is also an action word. Okay, so we all know what our action words are. Action words are called verb. Here are some more examples for action words. Run is an action word. Okay, play is an action word. Eat is an action word. So today's topic is action in progress. What did I tell you? We add ing to the verb to form action in progress. Have you all understood? So what we have to do, run plus ing, that I will teach you what is it. Okay, children? So today, yes. So all of you look at it. So action in progress is we put ing to the verb to form the ing form of the verb. That is known as an action in progress. Okay, children. So ing form of the verb tells us about actions that are happening now at this time, at this moment. Have all of you understood? Ing form of the verb tells us about actions. It tells us about the actions that are happening now at this moment. It tells us what someone is doing now at this moment. Have you understood what is ing form is? So we add ing to the verb to form the continuous action. To show that the action is continuous, we add ing to the verb. Okay, so you can see a girl dancing here. So she is dancing on the stage. So what we have done to the action word, we have added ing to the verb. Okay, so we have got, so the word we have got is dancing. So dancing is a continuous action. Okay, it is a continuous action and the action is still going on and it is not completed. Okay, so we say this action is continuous. So she is dancing on the stage. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. So all of you look at it. He is making his project. Making, it is a continuous action. Okay, making, it is a continuous action. It shows a continuous action. The action is still going on. He is making the project still now and the action is not completed. Okay, so it is known as a continuous action. The action is going on and it is taking place at this moment. Have all of you understood what is action in progress is? One more example is there. He is writing on the blackboard. You can see the teacher writing it on the blackboard. Okay, so he is writing on the blackboard. So writing shows a continuous action. You can see that writing, the action is still going on and is not completed and it is taking place at this moment. Have all of you understood? Okay, here are a few more examples for you. All of you look at it. I am going to school by bus. Okay, I am going to school by bus. It is going. It forms going. It is a continuous action. Okay, children? So it tells us that the action is still going on. So here, I'll be calling you. Okay, Nora, come on. Here you can see the picture. What is the action is going on here, Nora? What is the boy doing there?
Read.
Read. Read can be right here. The action is still going on. So it is a continuous process. So what we have to write here? Reading. Very good. He is reading a book and the action is a continuous and it is still going on and it is not completed. So we add ing to the verb. So it forms reading. Have all of you understood? So,
Yes.
Yes. So now we'll move on to the next picture. All of you look at it. Okay, Heaven, come on. Here you can see something in the, here. What is happening here? Heaven. Heaven, what is there? Water, read the sentence. Read the sentence. Come on, Heaven. Yes. Yes, Heaven. Heaven, read quickly. Water.
Water is the with
Great.
great
Speed. So what we have to write here? Who can give me the answer? Heaven, can you give me the answer? Water is, what is the water is doing actually? What does water is? Who can give me the answer?
falling.
Falling. Okay, Riza, come on. Falling, it's, wait. We'll look for the correct answer. Yes, Riza? Yes?
Falling.
Not falling, it is flowing. Okay, have all of you understood? It is flowing. F-L-O-W-I-N-G, flowing. Okay, so water is flowing with great speed. So flow, F-L-O-W-I-N-G. So I-N-G is added to the verb to form the word flowing. Have all of you understood? So water is flowing with great speed. The water is still flowing. The action is going on. Have you understood, all of you? So we add ing to the verb to form the verb flowing. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Okay, Heaven, do this for me. Unmute it fast, quickly. Unmute it, Heaven, and do this for me. They are, read it quickly.
They are dash in the park.
Okay, so what we have to write there, what the action is still going on here? What are the boys or the children doing here? What are the children doing in the park?
Playing.
Very good, Heaven. It is playing. So ing is being added to the verb to show that the action is still going on. It is a continuous action. Okay, so we add ing to the verb to show that the action is in progress. Have you all understood? So why if we add ing to the verb to show that the action is in progress? Okay, so in the next step is that we are going to learn about the different forms of ing. Okay, so when we can form the ing form of the verb in many different ways. 3 ways are there. Okay, how many ways are there? How can we add ing to it? Okay, there are 3 different ways of adding ing to the verb. The first, all of you first listen. First listen, children. First, all of you listen. So we know when we add ing to the verb, it becomes an action in progress. Have all of you understood? To show that the action is continuous, it is going on, it is happening at this moment. So we add ing to the verb. So we have understood what is action in progress is. Now we are going to learn about the ing form of the verb in many different ways it can be added. Okay, so we have to know there are 3 different ways of adding ing to the verb. First form is the simplest way of adding. Just add ing after the verb. Have all of you understood what is the first form, children? Just add ing after the verb. For example, play plus ing. So what it will be? P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Have all of you understood? Drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. So just add ing to the verb, that is drink, to form the verb drinking. Clear? All of you? Okay. And that is the first form. Just add ing to the verb to form the verb drinking or sleeping. Okay? Drink. Okay. Now, the next form is that if the word ends with E, what we have to do, for example, write, W-R-I-T-E. In this verb, the last letter is E. So what we have to do, just we can't write there ing. What we have to do, drop E there, drop out the last letter E, then add ing to the verb. Have all of you understood? Have all of you understood? What is the second form? If the verb ends with E, for example, write, take, all these are the words. Okay, close, all these words ends with E. So what we have to do, drop the letter E and then add ing to the verb. Okay, so it forms writing, closing, taking. What is the spelling of closing? C-L-O-S-E is close. So when we add ing to the verb, drop the E out, then add ing to it. Have all of you understood? Okay.
Yes.
The third form is that if the words ends with, for example, pin or drop, what we have to do, the last letter has to be doubled before adding ing to the word. Okay, so there are 3 forms of adding ing to the words. Okay, this we'll be learning in detail in class 3. So here I'm just giving you an introduction of it. Okay, so we will learn a little bit of these words here. Only then we'll be able to do the exercises. Okay, otherwise we'll be feeling it. We'll find it very difficult to do the exercise. Have you all understood? So there are three ways of forming ing of the verb. First form is just add ing to it. The second form is drop the e out. And the third form is double the last letter before adding ing to it. Have you all of you understood? Okay, now I'll show you the slide. Are you there? Okay, all of you look at it. Unless I'll explain to you, you may not be understanding. So now we are going to learn about forming the ing form. First form is that, are you all looking? First form is that, form the ing form of the verb by adding ing to the verb. Just add ing to the verb. Okay, children. So you can see the verb here, keep. So add ing to the verb. When we add ing to the verb keep to form the verb keeping. So K-E-E-P-I-N-G. Is that clear to everyone? So keeping. What's the spelling of keeping? K-E-E-P-I-N-G. Keeping. Okay. Now the next word is do. When we add ing to the verb do, it forms the verb doing. So the spelling of the word is D-O-I-N-G. Doing. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. And the third word you can see here, sing. When you add ing to the verb sing, to form the verb singing. So S-I-N-G-I-N-G. There are different ways this thing stand. So how do you do it? These are extra words. There are many words are like this. Plus ing. What will become? Who can give me the answer? What we have to write here? When ing is added to the verb stand, it becomes, yes, Faleh? Come on, unmute it.
Standing.
Standing. So what is the spelling? S-T-A-N-D-I-N. Okay, standing. So here in this first form is very good, Faleh. Here in that first form, just add ing to the verb to form the verb standing or doing or keeping. Then one more word I'll give you. Drink. Drink plus ing. Who can give me the answer? Wait. Avantika, come on, Avantika. Avantika, unmute it.
Drinking.
Drinking. Now give me the answer. D-R-I-N-K. Yes, then add ing.
ing.
So it becomes drinking. Have all of you understood? This is the first form, is very easy. Just add ing to the verb to make or to form the verb drinking or keeping, doing, singing. Okay, and the next form we move on to. All of you look at the second form. Second form is that, are you all looking at it? Second form is that, okay, for the verbs that ended E, okay, all the words you take that ended E, what we have to do, drop the final E before adding ing to the verb. If the verb end with E, what we have to do, drop that letter E, yes, throw it away and add ing to the verb. Clear to all? Okay? Yes. Close is a verb, close the door. So add ing to the verb. Before adding ing to the verb, what we have to do, drop that E and then add ing to it to form the verb closing. So C-L-O-S-I-N-G. So you have to remind children, remember that if the words end with E, drop the last letter E and before adding ing to the verb. Similarly, move, M-O-V-E. The last letter is E. So what we have to do, drop that word E and then add ing to the verb to form the verb moving. Clear to all? Is it clear to all?
Yes.
The word is share. Share, the last letter is E. So drop the letter E and then add ing to the verb to form sharing. Is that clear? I'll give you a few more examples. Write. Usually we do this word, write. Okay? W-R-I-T-E. Here also the word ends with letter E. So what we have to do, there is a common error I do find in your book. Write. So what is that? When we add ing to it, what will happen to it? What will happen? W-R-I-T, then add ing to it. Okay? Drop the last letter E before adding ing to the word. Is that clear to everyone? Clear? Clear to all? Now we'll move on to the third rule. What is the third rule is that? Third rule is that, all of you look at it. All of you look at the board. In the case of some verbs, we double the last letter before adding ing to the verb. Okay, so before adding ing to the verb, if some of the verbs, what we have to do is double the last letter before adding ing to it. In this case, the letter before, it is a clue, children. It is a clue for you. In these verbs, how to identify the words? The letter before the final letter is a single vowel. You can see that it is a single vowel. You can see a vowel there before the word. So it's a clue for us. So the last letter has to be doubled. Okay? Before the last letter, if before the letter, it is a vowel. So the last letter has to be doubled. If it's a consonant, no need. Have all of you understood? Okay, is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so fit. So when we add ing to the verb, it becomes fitting. To form the verb fitting. So T has to be doubled. Here we have to notice that it is a, before the verb, that is T, it is a vowel. Okay, so it is a clue for us. It tells us that this word, the last letter has to be doubled before adding ing to it. Clear to all? Here is the verb pin. P-I-N. So N has to be doubled before adding ing to it. For us is a clue that before the N, it is a vowel. So it has to be doubled. So P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Pinning. The third word is drop. D-R-O-P, drop. So P has to be doubled before adding ing to it to form the verb dropping. Okay, this is a clue for us. All these words has to be a vowel. Okay, so the last letter has to be doubled. Clear to all?
Yes.
The three forms of adding ing, is it clear to everyone? So let's do a simple exercise. Okay. Okay, let's do a simple exercise now. ing. Okay, it is an ing. So, ma'am is going to give you a few words. Here it is eat. Here it is write. Here it is drop. And here it is run. Okay, so here we have to add ing to it. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Okay, yes. Sarah, come on, Sarah, unmute it. And tell me, when we add ing to the verb eat, it becomes what?
Eating.
Eating. Tell me the spelling.
E-I-E-A-T-I-N-G.
Very good. E-A-T-I-N-G. This is the first rule. Just add ing to the verb to form the verb eating. Okay, that is the first rule. Now I'll move on to Roshid. Roshid, come on. Roshid. Yes, unmuted. Now we'll move on to the second word. Right.
I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board. Why? What happened? Only Roshid can't see the board. All the others can see the board. Diya, yeah. What about you? Diya, can you see the board? Unmuted, Diya? Yes. Now do the second one. Right.
King.
Writing. So what is the spelling? This is the second rule we have to follow. The word ends with E. So what we have to do, Dia?
W
R-I.
I T I G.
Very good. T-I-N-G. This is the second rule here we are following. Okay. The last word ends with E. So drop that letter and add ing to it. Okay. Very good, Dia. Okay. Devamitra, your video is not on. Okay. Suhana, come on, Suhana. I'll be calling each one. Okay. Suhana, unmute it. Suhana. Yes. Do the next one. Yes, do the next one. Dropping. Okay, this is the third rule we are following. So the last letter has to be double. I've already told you a clue. This is the before the letter. If it is a vowel, it has to be doubled. Okay, so it is a vowel. Okay, so we have to double the last letter before adding ing to it. So Suhana, tell me the spelling of the word dropping. Come on. D-R-O?
P-I-N-G.
No. I told you one clue. If the word it is O, it is a vowel. So what we have to do to the last letter? The last letter has to be?
O-I-N-G.
O-I-N-G. No. The last letter has to be doubled. Okay. So D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G. Is that clear? I also gave you a clue saying that the last letter has to be double. You have to see to the before the letter. If it is a vowel, the last letter has to be doubled. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then now Amaya. Amaya is active now. She's waiting for me to call her. Okay, Amaya, come on. Do the next one.
Run.
Run. Okay, here. When you add ing to the verb, what will happen?
R-U-N-I-N-G.
No. See the word. It is the third rule. So what we have to do?
N.
R-U-N. Don't be in a hurry. The N has to be double. So what we have to do here?
N.
Double N. And N-I-N-G. All of you children, the first rule and the second rule is okay. The third rule, just be very careful. The last letter has to be double before adding ing to the verb. Just check whether the before letter is a vowel. If the letter before the last letter, if it's a vowel, you see that it has to be double before adding ing to the verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, it's a clue for everyone. Now we'll be doing the One minute, children. All of you take your workbook. We'll be doing the second exercise, which is there. I'll teach you how to do the exercise. So it'll be okay. All of you take your workbook, children.
Ma'am, take.
Yes. So we have learned the 3 different forms of adding ing to the verb. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Yes. So now we are moving on to this. All of you take exercise in page number 20. Here there is an exercise for you. This exercise is we have to write in sentence describing. Here there is an exercise for you describing an activities which are going in a hospital. Write down the answers, answers to the questions. Write down the answers in complete sentences. Okay. So use the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. Okay. So here is a question for you. What are the patients doing? Half of the answer is given here, stand in a line. Here what we have to do is, the half of the answer is there in the question. Those words and these words has to be joined by using action in progress. So first one, I will do it for you. I'll show you how to do this. So what are the patients doing? So how do we write the answer? First, we will take the patients. The first letter has to be in capital letter. The patients. Okay. So we have, all of you look here. Don't be looking here and there. The patients. Now, helping verb has to be added to it. Patients are. Now, the remaining answers are there in the bracket. It is stand in a line. So what we have to do, can we just write like that? Action in progress has to be used. If the word stand, ing has to be added to it. So how do we write there? Standing. So S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing in a line. So this is the way we have to do the first one, this exercise. Okay, it's not a matter of just filling in the blanks or just underlining. You have to write the words in sentences. So the patients are standing in a line. Okay, children, so I hope you have understood. The next one, you will be doing it. Are you all writing? So half the answers you will be getting it from the question, and the half of the answers are there in the bracket. We have to join both the part of the sentences by joining the action in progress. We have to add ing to the verb. Okay, children, are you all ready? Okay, Andrina, come on. Unmute it. Yes, do the second one. Do the second question. What are the doctors doing? Now, give me the answer. Yes. So what I have to write there? The doctors. Yes, the doctors. I have written there. Okay, Andrina, help me out to write. Now, helping verb are is there. I have added to it. Now, the remaining, it is here. Examine the patient. So, how do I fill in there?
The doctors are
Examining. So, how do we write that? Examining. So, you can see here, the last letter is E. So, how do I write there?
Cut the E.
Cut that E and write?
ing.
Very good, very good. Examining. Okay, examining. N-I-N-G. Examining the patients. So I hope answer is very clear to everyone. Thank you, Adrina. Very good. Okay, now I'll move on to the next person, Rex. Rex, come on. Rex, unmute it. Rex, unmute it, Rex. Read the third question. What is the nurse doing? So children, almost we have, I think so it's time up. Okay, we'll be doing it in the, it has to be done as homework. Okay, after doing the homework, the answer key will be sent to you. Okay, children, so have you all understood how to do this exercise?
Yes.
Yes, everybody? Have you all understood? Yes, this exercise on page number 20.
Yes.
Okay, so after doing the exercises,
Then,
the exercise 1 and the exercise 2, the answer key will be sent to you and the notes also will be sent to you. Okay,
Okay,
children?
ma'am.
So I hope you have understood the topic and it's time for us to wind up. So thank you. Thank you once again. Bye, children. Have a great day. Yes, bye.